All right, so looks like this first part looks implemented. Let's take a look at the look command. So let's see, what was that? Oh, I'm way off. Okay, so there was an earlier implementation right here, yeah, which assumed that the current room was in the game class. So we won't be able to use that exactly. But we know that we need to add the case for look in the process command method, right? So we need to, so we add a, so it looks like we did, it looks like you did this step. Let's see. So we have, yeah, we have look in our command words. And then we needed to add a case for equals look in the game class and have a look method. So we won't be able to use exactly this look method from the game class, but we will need to have something in the game class. We want our println to be in the game class. So I saw that you had a, well, let's put a stub in the game class for now. So we're going to need to implement look in here someplace. So private void look. We got to do something in here. And we need a case for look. So we need an else if. So I'm just going to actually just copy this and paste it and say look, and our look command doesn't require any second word. So we're just going to write in the word look, and it's going to do what we want. So we don't need to pass it any parameters. Okay, so what's going to go in here? Well, originally it was this, right? It was system.out.println get long description. So we're going to have to do some kind of println, right? Let's see, system.out.println, and then we're going to have to print something. And I see you started doing something in the player class, and that kind of makes sense to me that you want, because the player is the one who knows what room he's in and all that jazz, right? So I'm thinking, okay, so actually void won't work. We're going to have to pass back a value to the game class to be printed. We're going to have to pass back something to be printed out, right? So it's going to be kind of like, do we do any string building in here? Yeah, like for get long description. In fact, get long description looks perfect, right? You could just use the get long description and pass that back to the game class. You know, so let's just get rid of this look method in here, and let's just use, where is it? Get long description, because that tells us what's in the room, right? Copy, and that's got the item string and all that razzmatazz. So that's a good one to use. And let's just paste that in here. But it's the method that belongs to the player, right? So we got to call it on the player. So let's do that. Compile. So now, when we type in look, it's going to call this guy. Okay, so let's see. Close. New game. Play. All right. So let's see. Let's go. I don't know. Let's go south, and let's say look. Okay, cool. So it gives us all that jazz. All right. Okay, so that's look, and then we'll plow on to the next thing in the next video.